Hi, I'm Pip. I'm from Project Box. Look, last year, prior to sitting down and working with Steph on my brand, I thought my brand was all about my logo, and that was it. It was just a logo and a business name, and that is what it was that I was going to be known by. Now, Steph and I spent some time together, probably just over a year ago now, actually delving down into what my business was all about and then building a bit of a branding strategy around that. So now my brand is so strong that it rolls out into everything that I do. It's the way that I carry myself. It's the way that I talk to my customers. It's the colors in my brand. I had someone send me through a photo of a purple and teal hair tie telling me that it made them think of me, which is just insane. It is the colors that go into every single social media image that I do. There is always hints of blue and teal and purple on those images, and I go out of my way to redesign those images to bring that branding in. It's the way I hold myself. It's bringing my daughter and my story into everything that I do as well. So you'll constantly see me posting pictures and videos and things of her and of us, and talking about why she inspires me to do what it is that I do. That is all part of my branding. Now, because of that, people are really clear on who I am. They know that every time they see purple and teal, it reminds them of Pip. Every time they know what to tag me in. I'm constantly being tagged now in posts on social media, which is just amazing and the most incredible feeling, knowing that people recognize me for my brand. And that's what it really does come down to. So it's been a really long 12 months building that, but it is now paid off so well that everybody knows who Project Box is and who Pip is and what my story is, because I share that with absolutely everyone and don't dare hide it anymore. So this is me. I always say that my business is me. There's no point in trying to be somebody that I'm not. And like I said, I'm pulling my story and everything into this as well. Just makes me even more passionate and more inspired by what I'm doing each day. So take a rethink of what your brand is to you. Speak to Steph and get some help and some guidance on what you can do to bring all of these strategies into the way that you're running your business and the way that you're sharing your story with the world, because I guarantee you won't regret it.